Hey everyone, Old Wolves here. It's Thursday morning, so I'm drinking coffee. Sorry. I wasn't able to get this done last night, so I'm doing it today. Get this thing out of the way. Yeah, there you go. So okay. So it's the 27th. Yes, today's the 27th, day after New Comic Book Day. So I'm going to show what I picked up because I can't read them until I show them. I can't show him. I can't bag him. You know what I'm saying? So it's a vicious circle. So, with all ado, I have my books. I got my bling bling. And I got my bags and backings. Enough for a couple more weeks. And I got my mystery mail call for October. So here we go. It's like I gotta get a stand for this thing. Anyways, let's take care of this. Let's go this way. Here we go. All right, here we go. Damn them all. Boom Studios. Simon Spurrier, I guess, right? Don't know much about this one. It's for issue number 1. All I know is main character's magician uncle died, and now there's like 78 demons or something. He or she, I'm not even sure, has to get back to health, I guess. So I'm gonna give this a run. And I gotta say, sorry to Sarah from Captain Sorrow. I didn't get the shiny cover. I got the cover A. Sorry. If I see it, I'll pick it up. Okay. But I only got cover A. Ooh. I forgot. Come on. You know you want to do it. There you go. Damn them all. Alright, let's put that right there. I'll put it right here. Next one. Batman Beyond the White Knight. Excuse me. I'm enjoying this series. I always do. I love this universe. And I'm enjoying this. Last issue was pretty cool because since Joker's all in his head, they switched. And so Batman became Joker in his head. And Joker took over Batman in his head. So Joker was kicking butt like Batman. You know what I'm saying? He was making comments about his muscles and stuff like that. It was funny. It was pretty cool. And then then he was able to talk to Harley Quinn. That was nice too, but it was a great issue. So, and you find out that the character, who is the Batman, Terry, knows that Powers killed his father, and his father's dead, but Powers is now what it is. I knew it yesterday. The green guy. Oh, I remember what his name is. I can't remember now. Oh well. Blythe. There you go. So this is number 6. So I think there's 1 or 2 more issues to go on this one. Maybe he's going the whole year. I don't know. Next one. Great Tom King series. Human Target. Great Tom King series. This is number 8. It's on the later half of the book. a series. This is probably read better as a trade. His books tend to be read better as a trade. Glenn Smallwood, poor guy, he's doing great art. Please pick this up. Get into the trade. It's number 8 on the floppies. If you can get the floppies, get them. But this is a trade book. He's been poisoned. He was the human target for Lex Luthor. He took a bullet for Lex, but he drank whiskey. He had a beverage. Beverage was tainted. He's being poisoned. He's going to get days to live, and he's trying to find out who it is. And it looks like the JLA. One of them is who did poison him. So we'll find out. And that mask gives away who's the main character, who's the main Justice League character in the book, in this issue. Next one, Moon Knight #1 annual. Beware, Werewolf by Night. Haven't read it. I assume that Werewolf by Night will be in here. Well, there you go. Don't know what to tell you about it. The idea of a Moon Knight and Werewolf by Night in the same issue intrigued me, so I picked it up. If I forget about it, hey, it'll be over there. Deathstroke Inc. number 14. This is part 5 of year 1. Now he's a hitman. He's like I said, I haven't gone through this yet, so it's all right. I'm on the fence on this one. Always have been on for a while. I want to see what they do after this year 1 arc, and then I'll choose if I want to drop it or keep it. Okay, Strange number 7. Last month's book didn't really. I think that was just a placeholder. This looks like a continuation of what was going on before that book. So she's still fighting with the Harvest Man. She finds out that the Harvest Man is really Doctor Strange, an older version. Need some Grecian in there. But according to him, they can't be together, it looks like. So we'll see how it goes from there, right? She's found her husband, right? Stephen Strange is alive. Well, Stephen Strange is alive. We'll see what happens. Maybe he'll get a dye job because he's all white, you know. We'll see what happens. And I made my phone. There you go. Okay. This one. Lovecraft. H.P. Lovecraft. Unknown Ladath. Ladath is the land of dreams. Okay? And Carter, this character in the book, it can go into the land of dreams. He's looking for Ladath. So last time we met him, he was on the moon, being kidnapped. And now he's back off the moon, or maybe still on the moon. But the cats are coming up to save him, because cats love to dance on the dark side of the moon. You didn't know that? keep an eye out for them. So this is continuation of the story. What I also like is at the end of the story, they have H.P. Lovecraft's actual writing of Kadash. There you go. So this is part 2. Part 1 was in the first one, first issue. This is part 2. That's cool. Ooh, didn't like that one. Oh, why does it do that? Let's do this again. There you go. I'll get rid of that other one. Okay. Absolution. She's still stuck in that video. She's still stuck in that game. You know, it's like the Runaway Man type of thing. If her approval rating goes too low, audience approval rating, she'll die. So now she's basically doing it on her own, avenging people who need help. The last one was a girl being sexually assaulted by her boss. She took care of that. So now we'll see what goes from here. I'm enjoying this one. I really am. I'm not. There's only one more book after this, so it'll be a trade issue if you want to read it. Okay. Last one. Firepower number 24. Okay, Owen, who's learned the master Fire Fist. He's going after the main bad guy, Master Shaw. Okay, he knows he has that, so he does the green, Owen does the red, and they're battling it out. So this has been a Robert Kirkman for 2 years. I'm enjoying it. It's a great read. They have it in trade, but in volumes. Yeah, okay. Volume 5 available November 23rd. So each little story arc, there's a trade. Pick it up. Best way to catch up on what you're missing. Yeah, it's too early for whiskey. All right, now time for Tom. Okay. All right, here's the it's a little Mandalorian going on there. It's also the scanner thing here. So I gotta pull this up. Let's pull this up here. All right. So now we have to go to. I should have done this already, but I didn't open it up. So. Why did it not go through? Did I spell something wrong? Oh, yes, I did. There you go. Hey, it's showing October. Is this October? It's October. Okay, here we go. All right. So there you go. Little, it looks like a little Mandalorian action there. Let's do it this way. There you go. Fantastic Four, number 7 from 1997. There you go. You got a little Wolverine in there. $31 results. Okay. Whatever. I'll put it right here. Next one. Ooh, this one's got ComicTom written all over it. That's what this is. Alright. So this is kind of the color in it. Okay. So this is Stuff of Nightmares, cover A. Alright, so it's a Doom Studio publication, and it's 1 out of 1570. Not bad for Halloween, huh? Next one. This is the red. Yeah, this is the red cover. Okay. This is Lady Hell 1. This is the red cover, so it's cover C. And it's put out by Dynamite Entertainment. Print count was 771. Ben Templesmith did this one, and the other one was Johnny Desjardins. Okay. This one, since it's already turned up, this is Something's Killing the Kid number 25. This is the... How can I tell? All right, this is this one. Okay, so this is... See, this person's little things. Oh, you can't see. Okay. I don't know if I could share screen. I'll have to work on that one. Take my word for it. This is cover A. Well, it's a David Mack cover from Boom Studios. There was a print count of 1420 on this one. There's another cover where this little character here was up closer. That was the B cover. And there was no writing in the background. Here's the print. There you go. A little She-Hulk action there. $505 out of 2,100. And then last but not least, this is Scout. This is the Map Maker. Map Maker, make me a map. Okay. Anyways, so it's number 1, is an exclusive. Looks like there's a little some pirates, I guess. We'll see. All right, so I got to put these in the bling bling, so I'll do that later. Okay, so let me get back to this. Let me drink my coffee. There you go. Those were the books I got to this week. Well, yeah, this week. And you saw my October mail call, history mail call, ComicTom. Now my shout outs to Simple Simon, as always. Captain Sorrow, sorry, I apologize for not getting the silver, that shiny cover. I only got the A cover. But if I do see the shiny cover next week, I'll pick it up. Just because you mentioned it. Chris from Comics and Chaos and Comics. How you doing? I keep saying I'm going to get a list of people to shout out, so, or maybe I'll put it in the background or something. We'll figure it out. Okay? Thanks, everybody. Thanks for wasting about 20 minutes with me that you'll never get back. Don't forget, in November the 4th, we got the 3rd annual Hot Wings Challenge. Should be a good one. And in January, I'm still working on the my 24-hour show for pediatric brain cancer research. There'll be more coming out. So um, now is the planning. I was gun ho planning, but it's like so far away. I was planning too much too soon. So I'll stop planning, doing more planning now. So see me there. The plan is not for me to leave this chair too often. I'm going to do my best to do the whole 24-hour here. So we'll see about that. And so I'll see you in a couple of weeks for doing the Hot Wing Challenge. Look that up, okay? See you later, guys and gals. Later.